There's two scientists who study NAD as a vital molecule in the body. One of them is Dr. Nady Brady, and the other one being Dr. Ross Grant. Funny enough, both these geniuses belong to a university in Australia. Now, at the time when I started really offering NAD IV therapy at the time in London, we had our first NAD Summit, little small summit conference in the States, where I had the first chance to meet Nady Brady and Dr. Ross Grant personally. There was only a handful of people in the world. 200 or 300 people were interested in NAD at that time. There were certainly only 5 or 6 clinics where you could actually experience an IV infusion of NAD. We were one of them in London. So my relationship with Nady Brady and Ross Grant began way back then at our very first NAD Summit. I've become very friendly, especially with Nady Brady, who I consider is not just a professional colleague, but a friend. Ross Grant, another fantastic genius of a scientist when it comes to NAD. And Ross is really quite responsible for some really smart science that we actually study today from way back. So my history with both these people go back way back. It's over a decade. Having the chance for somebody like me, who's non-academic, non-medical, certainly non-scientific, having the opportunity to sit with two NAD scientists and ask questions face to face was it was just unbelievable having that opportunity. I learned so much. I had a lot of questions answered. So it was really quite a revelation for somebody like me to be with these guys, you know. And like I say, these days I'm more friends with them than anything else. When we first opened up the Bionad Clinic in central London offering NAD infusions, my core interest in business at that time was helping other alcoholics like myself. The doses that were used at that period were doses specifically for that individual who had an extreme deficiency in NAD. But through years of clinical observations, coming back to this seemingly reversal of the aging process and the increased mental clarity and wellness that these alcoholic people were getting from this therapy, more people gradually heard about this and more people started to visit the clinic for just general mental health, wellness, longevity, as the word started to spread. So the doses have changed through the years to be more suitable for just daily sensible use and not so deficient individuals, which has brought us today, again, through many years of clinical observation, to develop a home kit, an NAD home kit, which is available now. My personal opinion is the full benefits to be got from NAD is small doses but frequently.